kids? Are you ready? It's time to learn fun English sentences. Every day, fun English sentences all day long. Let's go! Say hello. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say thank you, please. Learning English is so easy. It's a breeze. Fun English sentences, learning all day long. Sing it, say it, make it strong. Fun English sentences, join the song. Everyone together, all day long. How are you? I'm doing great. What's your name? Don't be late. Where are you going? I'm going to play. English sentences help us every day. Fun English sentences, learning all day long. Sing it, say it, make it strong. Fun English sentences, join the song. Everyone together, all day long. Hey kids, you did it! Fun English sentences. Let's keep going. Let's go. See. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed. I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning.
I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water.
I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes.
I make breakfast in the kitchen. I make breakfast in the kitchen. I look in the mirror.
I mop the floor after lunch. I mop the floor after lunch.
I comb my hairs. I comb my hairs.
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
I sweep the floor every day. I sweep the floor every day.
I feed my cat in the morning. The cat is hungry and waits for its food. I feed my cat in the morning.
I pour a glass of orange juice. I pour a glass of orange juice.
I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I go to the kitchen for breakfast.
I boil water for my tea. I boil water for my tea.
I make my bed in the morning. I make my bed in the morning. I eat breakfast at the table. I eat breakfast at the table.
I drink my coffee every morning. I drink my coffee every morning.
After breakfast, I check my phone and read my messages. I check my phone after breakfast and read my messages.
I water my plants every morning. I water my plants every morning.
I pack my bag before I leave. I pack my bag before I leave.
I make toast for breakfast. I make toast for breakfast. Thanks for watching. Learn English daily with fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more videos if you want a slightly more energetic version. Thanks for watching.